Hey guys! Are you paying too much on your telephone bills? Or you can't talk as long as you like? I may just have a perfect answer to your problem. Because right now, the Mobile Talk by Pocket 8 is giving you an opportunity to save up to 90% over typical international mobile phone charges. I know we all love to talk on the telephone, especially when we are talking to our family. So why spend so much money just to make a phone call when you don't have to? The Mobile Talk by Pocket 8 makes it so much easier for us because we don't need a calling card or a PIN code. No connection fees, no hotspot required, and the phone calls are really high quality digital call. So try it now. What can you lose? Except a big phone bill. So check out the website now.